up here at Horn Mountain today. I'm going to do a short little bushwhack. Looking on my map, and there's a good flat, relatively flat area up in here somewhere. I think I can find me 2 trees in here to hang my hammock on. So I'm going to put my hammock between that tree and that tree right there. Got a little bank I can sit on right there. Maybe build me a fire right here. Sit on that bank and enjoy my fire. And then that way is the creek, or the stream. And I still hear it running heavy down that way. So I'm gonna throw my backpack off and then we'll go over there and check it out. Alright, so we're gonna go check out this stream as my water source. See how difficult it is to get there, how far away it is. If it's too far, save me some energy. I got my little water tote bag here. I can just bring me water back up here. Save me some trips. But you head out there and check it out. Alright, so this is my water source. Wasn't too bad to get to. Runs all up through here. I have actually never seen where one of these streams originate. My goal is to follow this all the way up to its source and see how it begins. Alright, we're going to head back up to camp and start setting up. Alright, so camp is set up. Got my Foxelli tarp, triangular tarp, or diamond shaped tarp I should say. Got my ridge line. It's also a good place to hang clothes. Got my one tigress underquilt. I could have saved weight by doing a single one, but I got the double because I like to be able to stretch out. So I got my, let's see in here, hammock gear quilt. That thing's pretty light. And I got my little pillow. So now we're gonna go exploring up in there. Just go see what we find. Alright, so we're off exploring. I'll probably stay out a few hours, get some photos, replenish my water, and then we'll come back and have some lunch and probably take a nap. It's the beautiful thing about out here. You can sleep really well. Nice and peaceful. So let's go see what we can find. Those are some steep hills. Okay, so the creek bends around that way. And of course the vegetation starts getting thicker, to be expected. Let's head up the long way around. We'll keep that spur over to our right so we know where we're at. Let's see where we can get to. Still following the stream up, trying to find its origin. but it's beautiful. All right, we're starting to get into these higher elevations now, so it's getting to be a little bit more dicey. More briars, steeper hillsides. But we will prevail. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Let's go check this out. Try to keep away from the water moccasins. Oh, hell. There's a nice ass waterfall through there. I don't know how I'm gonna get in there, but I'm gonna get in there. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's right in there. Let's see. This is why I love bushwhacking, man. Okay, so we came from over there. I tried going up that way and getting to the waterfall over there, but Mother Nature hides her secrets well. So we crossed here, and then we're gonna attempt to go up there. All right, I'm gonna try to record this for y'all, but if it gets too dicey, I'm gonna have to stop recording. Broken leg isn't worth a YouTube video. Look at my dog Pinto up there. This is so freaking easy for him. Briars everywhere. There's the goal right there. Can we do it? Probably looks easier on video, I don't know, but this is some rough crap. The thing about these things, with all these boulders around, you don't know if that's solid ground or if that's a hole covered by leaves and grass. Woohoo! Looky there. Oh man, that's pretty. I hope they never build a trail up through here. Some things you should have to put the hard work in and find for yourself. A nice little pool there. I'm sure it's deeper than it looks. And you got the beautiful waterfall right there. So I'm gonna grab me some photos of this, and I'm gonna try to hit up there and see if I can find the beginning of this stream here. We'll see. I can stick over there by the creek and probably run into all kinds of briars and bushes. Or I can go this way, which is probably a little easier, but it's going to take me higher up away from the creek or stream. Let's see. I think we'll go down there. It looks like there's a clearing there, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to run into bush, but we'll give it a shot. This mountain definitely doesn't want me to find the beginning of this. I think it might get too thick for me to make it. I don't know. There it is. I am not equipped for mountaineering, so I don't know if I'm going to make it to the origin of the stream. Might be able to walk up through there. I don't know, I'll give it a shot. I wasn't able to make it to the origin of the stream. That way I'd need some rope and probably a grappling hook or something. That way is a wall of briars. So either I'm gonna have to wait until fall or winter, or I'm gonna have to get me some rope and climb those steep cliffs there. I did lose my glasses. I think I remember setting them on the ground down here at the waterfall. So I'm gonna head back down to the waterfall and see if I can't find my glasses. All right, found my glasses. There's no one around for miles. So peaceful out here. I made it back to camp. That was a good little bushwhack exploration there. But now it's time for some food and a nap. And a spider web in my head. And then we'll get up, collect some firewood. You ready to eat, Pinto? Yeah, me too. All right, I got my kindling there with my feather sticks. I got my pencil size or bigger fuel here, and then I got my big fuel there. So we got some roasted garlic, mashed potatoes, and we got barbecue chicken creations. I'm gonna mix those up, and that's dinner. Half a bag of this. Put the barbecue chicken in. And that's a good dinner. We are headed out, going to meet my wife down at the Forest Service Road. It was an awesome trip. If you ever want to see some good nature, come up here to Corn Mountain. Beautiful place out here. And there's hardly any people, so if you like solitude, this is the place to be.